back to Property Focus, the show that shows you the most fascinating properties in the market and the latest in property insights. Ladies and gentlemen, in today's episode, we're going to be diving into the world of real estate innovation. And joined with me, we're going to be having two gentlemen who are just challenging the traditional norm of how real estate is done. Leveraging off technology, these folks are showing us how you and I can do property a bit different. My name is Peter Ngigi. Welcome to Property Focus. And welcome back to Property Focus. We're here at the Workable Co-working Space. Now, if you're just joining us, we're looking at just innovations in the property sector, and we're going to be having a chat with Alvin, who's going to be telling us about property management solutions in the digital way that it's being done in today. Alvin is a computer science major with a specialization in software development and consulting. He prides himself with over 11 years of experience delivering impactful solutions for leading organizations, including KPMG, PwC, and the University of Nairobi. He's also a founder of a prop tech company that does property management, committed to addressing unique challenges faced by landlords, property management, and tenants, with leadership of over 100,000 users. Let's hear about how he's bringing efficiency, transparency, and streamlining processes in property management across the industry. Let's hear more from him.
My name is Alvin Kaburu, founder Nyumbani Tech Solutions Limited. We're a software company that specializes in property management systems. Yeah.
Super. Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
How does your software work? How is it solving the space, anything in the space right now?
All right. So our software is basically a cloud-based system that targets landlords, property managers, hostel managers, gated community managers. So basically our niche is solving the problem of invoicing, problems of payments, problems of arrears management, reporting, and also communication to various either tenants or residents. So we are a software that works with these stakeholders to make sure that that whole process is streamlined, is digitized, is efficient, and is also accessible from anywhere.
Interesting. So how do you keep tenant information private?
Right, so privacy is it's a huge issue in these times. We've done so many things because that's a very big concern when it comes to our clients. So number one, we make sure that data authorization and authentication is key. So from things of password protection to things like OTPs, to things like encryption of data in transition and in storage, to things like making sure that the right people have the right access to data. Then also legally speaking, we are registered as data processors, meaning the government recognizes us as a major, like somebody who's trusted when it comes to data and protection of data. Brilliant.
Now, what payment options do tenants have now with this particular solution?
Right, so the good thing about the Kenyan market, it's a very versatile market. In the sense that most people want to pay in what is most comfortable for them. So we've made sure that we support all payment methods, whether you're talking about bank or M-Pesa, or you are talking about even things like cash and bank checks, for example. We've made sure that all that is flawless, either both by automatic means, where you just make a payment and it reflects in the system, or in places like cash or checks, where we allow you to key in those methods. And immediately, automatically, it's able to reconcile all the data, and the tenants can get acknowledgements that their payment has been received.
Maintenance. How do you solve it?
So maintenance is also something that has been very popular, and the demand is increasing. So tenants want efficient ways in which they can lodge maintenance requests. So they are trying to find ways in which it can be efficient, it can be quick. So how we've done on that is we have a repair management facility in the system, where a tenant can lodge a maintenance request and it will be received by the management. Once the management receives the request, they're able to see everything, give track and account for everything that is being done during the process of maintenance, and the tenant is put in the know of what is going on and how far the maintenance has gotten to.
Interesting. Now, in terms of delinquency, rent delinquencies, how do you deal with that?
Oh, that's a good thing, because that's where we majorly come in. So we help our clients recover their rent or service charge fees. So the way we do that is we have a vast Arrears Management feature that automatically and continuously reminds the tenants and the residents of payments they're supposed to make. Also, on top of that, we give good reports, and the management is able to keep track of who has not paid, who has paid at any given point in time, and also to track things like overpayments, because you see, if people are not paying, it means there are people who are also overpaying. We also have penalty management, so where you can penalize your tenants as you have agreed, and at the end of the day, all that record is kept in the system, and there's a good audit trail of everything that is going on.
Spanner in the works. I know I didn't say this question. AI, are you planning on integrating AI?
Yes, we actually have AI already integrated in the system, and we're using AI majorly for analysis and profiling the tenants. So basically, we want to put an environment in which we can be able to advise our clients on the various trends of their tenants, so that they can be able to understand who from their tenants is a high-risk tenant. They can also be able to understand who pays on time. And you see, with that kind of information, they're able to make business decisions immediately and as fast as possible. Because at the end of the day, AI is here to stay, and we're embracing it completely here at Nyumbani.
Well, that's all we have for today. A bit brief, but I hope you're inspired at just how these tech bros are just changing the property landscape. We've always got more if you stay tuned to us every Sunday at 5:30 p.m. This was most exciting. Keep it locked to Property Focus. Till next week, same place, same time. Goodbye.